Hi, I'm Wes, and today in the Slumber Yard, we're reviewing the Emma Original Mattress. So we just got this mattress sent over to us, and after looking on their website, it's claimed to be Europe's most award-winning bed, so we basically wanted to put it to the test and see how it stacks up with other beds in the online mattress space. So if you're looking for an all-foam bed, stay tuned, because in this video we'll cover everything that you need to know, starting off with the policies, what this bed will come with if you do order it. Next, we'll move on to construction and discuss what the bed's made of. We'll talk about feel and how firm this bed is, and I'll touch on a couple things that you might want to consider if you happen to be sharing the bed. We'll touch on price and whether or not you can get a discount, and at the very end, I'll try to have a final verdict for you and answer all the main questions that you may have, like who should get the Emma bed and should you get it? Now, if you need any more information about this specific bed or any other online mattress, feel free to go to our website, myslumberyard.com, or check down below in the description. We'll have full written reviews, buyer guides, coupon codes, and so much more. But without further ado, let's talk about Emma.
Boom, 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 boom. Let's talk about beds at the Slumber Yard. Let's talk about beds at the Slumber Yard.
Okay, so right out of the gate, I do want to say that Emma did send us this bed for free to review so we could tell you about it. But if you order it online, you're going to receive the following policies, all starting with completely free shipping. The bed will show up to your house in about a 4-foot tall box, just like any other bed in a box. And you just drag it in your house, rip off all the packaging, and then it will start to expand in front of your eyes. Now, once the bed is in your possession, you get at least 100 nights to try it out in your own home. That's basically your chance to decide, do you want to keep this bed for the foreseeable future? And if not, you can return it and get completely free returns. But if you decide that you do want to keep the bed, it's backed by a 10-year warranty. If you need any more information about the warranty or any of the policies, check down below in the description. We'll have some helpful links for you down there probably. But now let's get into construction. What is this bed made of? Well, it's a pretty simple construction. There are 3 foam layers. At the bottom, you have a dense support core. Then you have a layer of memory foam that is the transition layer. On top, the comfort foam is a breathable, adaptive foam, and the cover is machine washable and removable. Now, having a removable and washable cover is something that might be really important to you nowadays based on the time that we're in, but just being able to clean stuff is always nice. In terms of feel, the Emma Original basically just has a soft foam feel. When you lay down on it, it's not going to feel too much like memory foam, even though there is some memory foam used in that transition layer. It's just going to feel like a fluffy, soft foam, and it's going to be really accommodating. I would probably bet that most people would enjoy sleeping on this bed at the end of the night. In terms of firmness, this bed is right at a medium on our firmness scale, meaning it'll probably work great for all sleeper types: back, stomach, side, and combination. Now, I just want you to remember that the firmness scale is subjective. If you're bigger, you might find beds to be softer, and vice versa. If you're smaller, you might find them to be firmer. And if you're an extra large person above maybe the 250-pound range, you might want to go for a bed with pocketed coils in there. It just provides more support and durability. Now, before I continue this review, I do want to touch on our monthly mattress giveaway club. Every single month, we give away 1 brand new queen-size bed to 1 lucky subscriber. And if you want to figure out how that could potentially be you, check down below in the description. All the details will be down there. But now it's time to touch on a couple things that couples might want to consider if they happen to be sharing the bed. Those are motion isolation, temperature regulation, and edge support. Now, in terms of motion isolation, this bed does a pretty good job. You're not going to probably wake up your partner in the middle of the night if you happen to get up for a drink of water or to go to the bathroom. Now, motion isolation has to do with how well the bed handles cross-mattress movement. So basically, if your partner likes to get up, will the bed reverberate? Will you feel it? Will you wake up? Now, edge support has to do with how sturdy the perimeter of the mattress is, and that's basically for anybody that likes to sleep really close to the edge. The Emma Original is okay. It's not the best we've ever seen, certainly not the worst, but you probably won't feel like a rolling off sensation if you do like to sleep closer to those edges, but just know that this bed isn't the best edge support. Now, before I move on to price, I do want to mention one cool thing about the Emma brand. It's that they ship to both the United States and to many other countries. So if you happen to be in Europe or something, you can definitely get this bed shipped to you. I mean, probably. I don't know where in Europe you are, but even when it showed up at the office, I told JD that it just looked pretty European in general, and that's a good thing. The prices will definitely change based on where you are, which currency you're paying with. But I'm going to talk about the prices in terms of American dollars and the queen size. You can pick up the Emma Original for about $1,100 MSRP as of when I'm recording this video. but there may be a discount. Check down below in the description to see if we happen to have a discount for you to save some money on this bed. Here at the Slumber Yard, we really like to help save people money on their new mattress purchase. And with this bed, we hope it is no exception. But those are all the main factors to consider for the Emma original mattress. Now, by now, you probably want my final verdict and you want me to answer the questions like, who is this bed best for and who should go with this mattress? And to that, I would say, if you're a medium to petite size sleeper who likes a medium firmness and a soft neutral foam feel, you'll probably really like this bed. And also consider the Emma mattress if you're ordering from another country and want to try an all foam bed in a box. So that's basically all I have for you today about the Emma original mattress. If you want to learn more about it, we'll have some helpful links for you down below in the description most likely, along with some coupon codes if we happen to find them. But if you like this video, feel free to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more, and feel free to go to our website, myslumberyard.com, for all things in the online mattress space. But for the rest of the Slumber Yard team, my name's Wes, wishing you good night's sleep.